Okay, it is January 29th, 2010, and this is the lovely snowstorm that we've been having since very early this morning. And as you can see, it's getting dim because it's getting dark. And you can see my footprint. Set these around the side of the house. There's the sink that is got about a foot of snow on it so far. Well, maybe not a foot. Let's see. Quite a bit though. Piece of tin on top of the burn barrel. Okay, gotta get out of the snow. The wind's blowing it through the doorway. And the neighbor's house. There's the trailer. There's the swing set all covered in snow. And there's the doorway covered in snow. So, the snow intermittently blows in from the north and the west. A little while it'll blow from the west and then it'll blow from the north. Beautiful, glad I don't have to be out in it. Doesn't show any signs of letting up for a while either. As you can see, the skies are still quite cloud filled. And that's the winter storm of 2010 in our backyard. And I'll try to guard the camera from snow. Take a picture of our lovely trailer, snow covered. My footprints. And there's our front door, and you can see the snow is up to the door. Now you can see it's up to the door. And there's the sun. No, that's the street light. And there's our driveway heading out to the drive. And my little bushes beside the driveway. And our mailbox. And the lovely cabin next door.